If complete and proper leather care is what you seek, look no further than the Pinnacle Black Label Hide Soft Leather Kit. Black Label interior care products are a cut above the rest because they utilize the highest quality ingredients. Compared to traditional solvent and petroleum-based leather cleaners and conditioners, Hide Soft Leather Cleaner and Hide Soft Leather Conditioner are formulated using mink oil and lanolin, two key ingredients for keeping your leather soft and supple. These two products are actually safe and beneficial to the stitching, something that cannot be said for most leather care products. To protect the dashboard, door panels, and other trim pieces, use leather and vinyl coating. This product actually seals the surface, giving it much better protection than a water or oil-based dressing that needs to be regularly applied. It doesn't leave the surface slick or glossy, but instead imparts a low gloss finish that has a smooth, tactile feel. You can also apply this on the seats as well. To ensure proper application of each product, the kit also includes a handful of microfiber towels and premium foam applicators, along with two specially designed horsehair brushes. The best part about this kit is the fact that you save up to 40% versus purchasing everything separately.